Hey there, Ram here, founder and CEO of Silq. We're a quality inspections and a freight forwarding service provider with about 300 inspectors in the field in Asia who visit factories and get real-time insights from the production floor across an array of product categories. I wanted to quickly jump in and share a freight market update because the last one we shared was the beginning of June and a lot has happened since then. This all begins with the Liberation Day tariffs that have gone through an on-again, off-again cycle. But as of May 14th, the Trump administration suspended the Liberation Day tariffs against China in pursuit of hammering out a trade deal. Now, a lot of good news is coming out of the United Kingdom, where the United States trade delegation and the Chinese delegation are meeting, and looks like we're on the cusp of finding a positive way forward. Now, in the meantime, everybody expected, and the carriers, in fact, also pushed a significant rate increase at the beginning of June, where we expected rates from Shanghai to LA to go up to $6,000, $6,500 a 40 high cube container. Unfortunately, those rate increases have not sustained. A lot of this has to do with the fact that the volume just isn't there. At the beginning of May, we started seeing a slowdown and we expected things to improve when the tariffs were suspended. However, for all of May, volumes were down about 10% month over month and 7% down year over year. This all has to do with the fact that factories in China need a little bit more time to get back online, get the raw materials in there and the production to kick off, and that's about to take 30 to 60 days before when you have inventory ready to ship. As a result, all these rate increases are likely not going to be sustained for a little bit longer. Likely going into later in July or early August is when you'll have the real surge in inventory coming into the country. Stay tuned for more updates. And in the meantime, if you need any assistance with our teams overseas, please reach out to us. Check us out. We'll be happy to assist. Stay tuned and look forward to hearing more.